See that people protesting. Please, I want to beg you all. Ironi Igbo, please do not protest in this government. Yes, we have been trying to make people see the reason why they should vote the right government. They call us bastard. They say we are just there for IPOB. They call us Biafra. You know, everything they like, they call us. Please, let the hunger continue. Like me, I'm advocating that the man should rule for the next 16 years. And I'm praying that he should increase the fuel before he starts to 5,000 naira per liter. I know it's not going to be easy for people like me, but we are ready to suffer with these people. Let them stop protesting because according to them, protest is haram. Imagine say this protest happen in the east or west. Even if it happen in Lagos, they will target saying that Igbo people want to destroy Lagos. So please, I'm using this medium to beg any Igbo person, do not participate in protests. Go about doing your business, make money. Go about hustling. Don't fight for these people. Do not fight for Nigerians anymore. Nigerians don't want anybody dying for. Yes. That is why I'm speaking on behalf of every Igbo that want to listen to me. Let us invest and grow our own economy in our land. It is possible. Akurono initiative. Let's bring investment down to the east. Let's invest at home and make our own inhabitable. Make the environment sweet for people to live. Let them continue doing whatever they want to do in Nigeria. Let them hold the presidency. Let them hold the ministers. But those that have money, come and invest in Igbo land. It is then when they see us doing well, home and abroad, they don't have choice but to know, say, it is time they will beg us to show them the way. But as far as they want to be using tribalism and religious bigotry to be running the affairs of the country, let them suffer. They will learn in a hard way, according to VDM. They will find out that the problem is not the Igbo man. The problem is one of them who is ready to eat alone, but they are foolishly glorifying him, saying it's better for their brother to chop than Igbo man to be there. Be a good citizen, you know. Obey the rules and law, obey the regulations, be a good citizen. But please, no pull mat for this matter. That is my own.
If you do not believe in what we are doing, then you better get out. We're not going to stop. God knows we can never stop until Biafra is restored. We are peace-loving people. We abhor death and killing of another soul. It's in our nature, that's how we are. But because of that, they have been coming and killing us all these years. We've kept quiet. They've been killing and killing and killing quiet. We have a case at the ICC. We have a case at Africa Union. We have a case at, what else again? Pending before the UN in New York. We've been to Geneva to tender our case. Before UN, till today, nothing. In fact, the more we complain to them, the more they come to abduct and rape our children, the more they come to kill us, the more they want to take over our land and our forests. And who told them that's going to be possible in our time? In a movement that I lead, you think you can come into our land and take it over? Oh dear. That means you don't know who we are. 30